everyone. Today I would like to talk about Creator Connection, a easy to use tool that's designed to generate additional sales for you. It's under Amazon's advertising and brand content. There are a few easy steps to set it up. The first tip I want to give is the length of the campaign. I would usually start a campaign for at least 3 to 6 months long because that tells the creators that they actually have enough time to submit content and enough time for them to generate sales for you. The second would be the budget. Honestly, I would really suggest maximize your budget number. It can go up to crazy number. Usually, I only ended up using a fraction of that budget, but again, that sends a very positive signal to creators that you're in Creator Connection for a long haul and you have enough budget for your campaign. And then the third would be commission rate. I would suggest starting from 10% at least. Depending on how competitive your niche is, say my niche is super competitive. Sometimes I go up to 20% as the commission rate. And then fourth would be the campaign brief. The information in there would often be referred by the creator in their videos. So they're important, but don't make it longer than a paragraph because anything longer than that, a lot of creators, they would just tune out. And then when creators messages you for samples, I usually ask my VA to ask them for links of at least one of their social media platform so that we can check engagement. Not just the number of followers they have, but how many comments, how many likes, and how often do they post on their platform. Those are all metrics for us to determine if this creator is a good fit for us. And once they submitted the content and generate some sales for you, definitely generate a list of effective creators who has converted for you and who has submitted good content that fits your brand. You could see from the dashboard what kind of content they submitted. There is a link to that. So there's really a lot of information you can see to determine how a creator can help you generate sales. The next time when you have a new campaign, definitely send messages to invite those effective creators first and really prioritize them in terms of communicating and sending samples. So that's my list of tips for Creator Connection. Happy selling.